Hi friends, it's Amy here. This look is inspired by one of my favorite drink, iced latte. And this makeup look is very simple and I thought it would be perfect for the fall season as well. So if you guys are interested to see how this look is created, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my Lancome Ultra foundation. This foundation might seem a little too pale for my skin at first, but it oxidizes throughout the day. And then I'm just going in with my beauty sponge to make sure I blend everything out. And then I like to go in with my Cover FX Power Play Concealer and just target my blemish areas, so that would be on my cheeks. I want a full coverage look today, so then I'm going with my Bobbi Brown corrector and I'm just targeting under my eyes and also areas where I would have redness, so that would be around my lips and also under my nose. And then I'm just going in with a concealer brush and kind of blend everything out. I actually already have my brows microbladed, so I'm just going to fill them in with my Anastasia brow definer to kind of make my brows stand out a little more. And now I'm going in with my favorite single eyeshadow ever, which is the Tom Ford Cream and Powder Eye Color in Golden Peach. So I'm just dabbing it all over my eyelids with my fingers. This eyeshadow is super creamy and so easy to blend. And I'm not even exaggerating when I'm telling you guys that this is the most perfect peachy eyeshadow color that I have ever seen. The best part about this eyeshadow is that it contains a matching topper in this shimmery shade. The shimmer is very delicate. I'm just dabbing that in the center of my eyelids. I'm just going to tightline my eyes real quick with a solid black eyeliner. And now I'm just going to curl my lashes and do my mascara and all that good stuff. I actually already filmed a full-on eyelash routine, so if you guys are interested, please go ahead and check that link in the description below. I want a more subtle eyeliner color, so I'm going in with my Maybelline Brown Gel Eyeliner. And then I'm just filling in the gaps and dragging it out a little bit to create kind of like a mini cat eye. And then I'm using a golden champagne color from my Morphe palette. I'm actually using a angled eyeliner brush to apply this eyeshadow because I like how thin and precise the brush gets. I'm just trying to create a smoky eye effect and imitate the color of iced latte. And what I also like to do is use any of a white champagne eyeshadow color and kind of dab that in the inner corner of your eyes to kind of give them a little pop. And now we are trying to make our nose look all snatched with the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Mocha. I mean, the name is also suitable for the look we're creating, right? Mocha and iced latte. And now I'm gonna pack my brush with my new favorite Jouer blush in Marigold color, or you can just use any type of warm caramel color for your blush. And now I'm gonna line my lips with my MAC lip liner pencil in the color Dervish. I am not going to overline them, I am just going to follow the natural outline of my lips. And now I'm going in with my newfound favorite, which is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color Silk. This color is so gorgeous and the color is very pigmented, and the fact that it contains hyaluronic acid makes my lips feel plumped. So that is the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!